Welcome back to another episode of Excel is Easy with Nav. Today, we're going to learn about the EDATE function in Excel, which is perfect for calculating future or past dates based on a specified number of months. Let's dive into a realistic scenario. Imagine you're a financial analyst and you have various loan start dates in column B and their respective maturity date in column C. You need to calculate the lay-on maturity dates for each of these loans, and you can do it manually. But that may take forever. Also, the manual approach is prone to errors. EDATE function is the perfect choice in this case. In cell D5, type =EDATE, open parenthesis, and then in the start date, put loan start date, which is in cell B5. Then press comma, and select C5 for months. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. Now we can see our outcome in numbers format. Now go to numbers section on the home page and change the formatting to date. And there we have it. One more positive thing about this is we can change the maturity period, and our loan maturity date will update automatically. Let's copy-paste cell D5 all the way across to cell D19, and we should have our loan maturity dates for each of the loans. Now it's your turn. Practice EDATE function on your own data and master the art of data analysis. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.